World Cup 2026. World Cup 2026, lights on the stage. Every nation ready, now we enter the cage. Dreams in the sky, trophies in sight. Football fever rising every single night. Rolling with the champion's flame. Brazil got the samba, but they're chasing the fame. France moving fast and Mbappe in flight. England is coming home every night. Germany marching with a warrior soul. Spain passing magic, total control. Portugal hungry, Ronaldo's legacy lives. Every team fighting, giving all they can give. In 26 with a crowd roll. Big 32 dreams knocking on the door. From the first kickoff to the final fight. Only one nation lifts the cup tonight. The stadium shakes, USA ration ready for the stakes. Morocco, Japan bringing passion and pride. Every fan screaming with their flags held high. Netherlands flowing like an orange wave. Croatia showing the heart of the brave. Belgium getting ready, aiming for glory. Writing a brand new football story. One ball, one dream, one world unite. Under the World Cup shining lights. 2026, history in sight. Who will be champion? Let's find out tonight.